Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in our channel we are going to design and technique of how to clean our solar panel. So this is nothing but the solar cleaning system using an water jet system. So here you can see here this is nothing but a water nozzle system what we have been developed to clean all our solar plants. So please share to this video to your friends those are still struggling with cleaning the solar panel. By the end of this video you'll be able to design the system for your plant. Okay, let us begin our video. So coming to the diagram, so this is the outlet of the tank. With the help of an small valve we have been connected to the input of the motor. This is an half-inch CRI make motor. So the output of this motor, here you can see here by this switch we can make on and off. So the output of this motor we have been connected to an braided, nylon braided plastic pipe, and this is connected to the nozzle. Okay, this is nothing but the nozzle where we can adjust the speed. So the maximum speed we can move the water is up to 16 feet. Why? Because each panel is of 8 feet, and maximum you can see the pressure released by the nozzle. And here you can see here how the nozzle is easily adjusted in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. And here you can see here the speed, the length of the water which is traveling approximately 16 feet. Okay, by using this nozzle you can easily adjust. Here you can see here the owner of the plant is cleaning the system very comfortably, very easily from the top 16 feet panel also is able to clean. Here you can see here the pressure released. Okay, you cannot directly see this pressure, you can see this pressure when you really have this system. So we have been tested it and it is working well, and it's a very simple technique of cleaning. So just is standing on an bench and he is cleaning the panel. Here you can see here how the water is released from the, like a jet it is released. You can see the pressure delivered by this nozzle, it's coming like a jet, like a water jet, and it is cleaning the system. Here you can see here the pressure which comes from the nozzle is of high speed and it is cleaning the panel excellently. So this is how this water cleaning system you can employ for your solar plant, and you can suggest to your friends also. So after cleaning this plant, here you can see here, so completely the panel is dried out at morning 6 o'clock. Remember, we have to clean this solar plant only in morning 6 a.m. Okay, and now the complete panel is free from dust, and it's a very good technique. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in another video.